In this video, I'm going to show you how to record high-quality audio. Having your sound clips in high quality is essential because it will help the overall quality of your sound clips, which will be very important when you do voiceovers for modules or videos. There are three main components that play a big part in ensuring you record the highest quality audio possible, and they are the environment, the recording device, and your voice. The first component is the environment. It's important that you do your recording in the most conducive environment possible. This is because ambient sounds like traffic, conversations, the hums and buzzes from the air conditioning and fans could reduce your recording quality. For home recording, it is best to have a special room for recording purposes. However, if you don't have it, a quiet room with sound-absorbing objects inside will work too. The objects can be a closet, paneling, wood boards, beds, chairs, sofas, shelves, and curtains. This is to reduce echo bouncing from the walls, floor, and ceiling, which can reduce the recording quality. You can also invest in making a special booth for recording. However, if you think that buying a ready-made recording booth to be too expensive, there are lots of videos online that can teach you how to build your own recording booth at home. The second component is the recording device. This is the most obvious component. No recording can be done without a recording device like microphones or specialized sound recorders. As you may have known, to get high-quality voice, you must go for the premium devices, which unfortunately are very expensive. Some microphones and recording devices may cost thousands of dollars. Don't fret, however. There are actually very affordable microphones that produce very high-quality sound. One such example is the Blue Microphone's Yeti. This is because it has studio-quality sound recording, which is a big plus if you want high-quality audio. It's also very affordable. You can get this online for lower than $150. The third is also the biggest advantage, its plug-and-play properties. You just simply plug into any USB port on your computer, do some simple settings, and you're ready to record. The third component is the source of the sound itself, which is your voice. The main goal of voice recording is to produce crisp, clear sound recordings with a clear voice. If this cannot be achieved, you may find that your recordings are less than satisfactory. During recording, it's worth it if you speak slower. Basically, you slow down a bit from your usual speaking speed. This is because when we speak naturally, we have no interruptions in our speeches compared to recording. Even with a script, you may find yourself stumbling around and speaking in a very unclear way if you try to speak too fast from a script. This brings me to the third point, which is practice. Before doing the final recording, I highly recommend you do 2 to 3 practice recordings and hear them back. This way you can fine-tune your voice, tone, and speed, ensuring the final recording to be your best. The biggest thing that can help you here is a script, which will help you with your speech and ensure a smooth recording session. So there you have it. That was how you can improve your sound recording and produce high-quality audio all the time, every time.
Okay, great. So you created your product and you've written your sales letter. Okay, so now you're good to go. But if you want to increase the value of your product or your funnel, it's best if you add upsells and downsells. Now, again, this is optional, but this is going to increase your chances of success because you're going to make more money if you offer upsells and downsells, and you're going to attract more affiliates. So if you're not familiar with funnels, usually the way they work is you have a product that you would sell, and then when people buy your product, they would immediately be taken to an upsell offer to buy something that's related to your main product, and you could sell this for a higher price. And if they turn that down, they could be presented with a downsell offer where they could buy that product for a lower price, but of course you would just take out some bonuses or have some reason for offering them a discount on that upsell. Okay, so every business that I can think of offers upsells. Amazon, McDonald's, it doesn't matter what business you're in, you need upsells to increase the sales you make per customer. Okay, and now when you're building these funnels, a great tool you could use is ClickFunnels. It's a software tool that I use to create my own sales funnels. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, so upsells and downsells, creating them can be a lot of hassle, especially if you have more than one upsell. Some marketers create up to 3 or 4 upsells. Okay, now another alternative to this, if you don't want to create more products to offer as upsells in your funnel, instead of creating more products, you can just offer the resale rights to your main product, and also private label rights if you want. So basically, let's say you have a product on how to drive traffic to your website. You would sell that on the front end, and when people buy that, you could offer them the opportunity to buy resale rights so that they can resell that course. And if they buy the resale rights, you could offer them another upsell where you could sell them the private label rights, meaning that they could edit the product and resell the product. Welcome to this course in which I'm going to teach you how to create a new product every month and launch a new product every month. And this is a great skill to have. Now, why is this skill important? Well, a lot of the successful marketers out there are good at launching new products consistently. And that's the thing with internet marketing, is that you always have to have fresh new products out there. So this course is going to go over that. I myself, I create new products every month for a membership, and sometimes I choose to also launch them. So in terms of the product creation part, I've got that patted down. It's become second nature for me to create products. So I'll give you some tips on how to do that in this course. And I will show you all the other things you need to do in order to have a successful launch. In this video, I want to show you how I generate ideas for the products that I create. And what I try to do is I just try to get ideas from other products. I try to see what the hottest selling products are, and then I just try to create a course on that topic. I try to make the product better, or I try to make a product on that same topic but from a different angle, or I just try to use my own voice. Okay, so here I am on warriorplus.com. This is a network where you can find products for sale. This is where you can sell your products, or this is a network where affiliates can find products to promote. Okay, you can go to the deal of the day. This is the product of the day chosen by the owner of warriorplus.com, and usually these are high quality products. Okay, so basically you want to model your product on best selling products or high quality products. You could also go to top products of the day, which you can see here, the list of the top 10 products. You could also see the top products from the day before, or the last 7 days, or the last 30 days. So you could just go down this list and look for a product that resonates with you, or something that you'd be interested in learning about. So number one here, it says powerful software. So obviously that's not going to apply to you. Number two is companion publishing profits. If you're interested in something related to that, you click on that. Something that caught my attention here was number 5, passive profits masterclass. And this looks like a course that teaches about how to get passive income streams. So that's something I'm interested in. So I'd probably click on that, read the sales page, and I'd probably even buy the course and try to get ideas from it. And if you don't want to spend your own money, you could just read the sales copy, just try to guess what it's about, and then go on Google and do your own research and just try to create a product similar to that, but just based on the information you derived from a different source. Okay. Aside from warriorplus.com, you could also go to the warriorforum.com. And this is a forum for internet marketers, and you just go to the Warrior Special Offer section. And these are products being sold by other marketers here. And again, you want to look for a high quality product, or a product that's a best selling product that has sold thousands of copies. Because if you create a similar product to that on the same topic, chances are likely that people are going to buy it. right? Okay, so there's the wireform.com. There's also jvzoo.com. I'm not logged in right now, but if you have a JVZoo account, or if you register, when you're in the site, when you're logged in, you could see what the top selling products of the day are, or the last 7 days, and so on. So it's a similar idea to what I did on the Wire Plus network. Okay, so those are the main ways that I generate ideas for creating my products.